Hello friends, I welcome you all on Yearpedia Education. So today I am going to give you some updates so that is regarding various positions in various IITs. So as you know, this series is going on from last many months, and today I am going to discuss some more jobs. Okay, so that is of junior research fellow, senior research fellow, project associate, project assistant, ठीक है, postdoc fellowship and project manager also. So like these, so there are various vacancies, okay, in various reputed institutes. In I will basically I am going to discuss for IITs. Okay, and today we are going to discuss some of these vacancies in 3 to 4 IITs. And friends, as you know that the stipend they provide, so that is very good. So that ranges from, I will say, some 35,000 to 75,000. Okay, so according to your position, okay, so they will provide you that stipend. Okay, and along with this, what is the benefit of doing work at these positions? So you can pursue your MS or PhD while doing these projects on these positions. So basically all IITs are having their own criteria, और सभी IIT, जैसे IIT खड़गपुर साफ साफ बोलता है कि अगर आप यहाँ पर कोई प्रोजेक्ट करते हैं, किसी प्रोजेक्ट पोजीशन में काम करते हैं, तो साथ में आप अपना मास्टर्स अगर आपने किया हुआ तो आप PhD भी कर सकते हो, ठीक है, या फिर MS कर सकते हो, ठीक है। तो ऐसे यहाँ पर काफ़ी सारे IITs हैं जो कि आपको PhD करने का भी अपॉर्चुनिटी देते हैं। ओके, सो लेट्स सी। सो फर्स्ट इज IIT रुड़की। तो IIT रुड़की की वेबसाइट पे जब आप जाओगे तो सबसे पहले तो यार क्या करना है, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू हैव टू टाइप IIT JRF रिक्रूटमेंट ऑन गूगल. Okay, and I will say the links for some IITs will open up, and basically the first I will that will come, so that is IIT Roorkee. So when you will go, so this type of page will open up for IIT Roorkee, ठीक है, and as you can see this, so there are various project positions and in different departments. So you can see this list. So in different department of biosciences and bioengineering, so last day to apply, so that is 29th of November for the position of project associate, project assistant. Second one is last day to apply is, I will say, so that is today, 19th November. So that is JRF and Department of Architecture and Planning. And similarly JRF post in other department also, project assistant. Okay, and JRF SRF post, okay, in MIED, okay, and project intern or engineer in iHub Divya Sampark. Okay, so there are these project positions available, and there is interview for these positions. Okay, you simply have to click on the advertisement and you have to just read that advertisement. In that advertisement there will be title of the project, okay, and there will be eligibility or experience. Okay, and according to your eligibility and experience, so you can apply for these positions. Okay, so basically you have to send your application. You have to either I will say, so that is you have to mail only. Okay, who will be your in charge, so just mail to him or her, okay, along with your supporting documents, and appear for the interview. Okay, so you can see this. So one of the notification advertisement I can read for you from this. So that is project position in Department of Biosciences and Bioengineering, and this is the name of the principal investigator in that department. Title of the project is Enhanced Lipid Production by Genetically Engineered Algal Strain. Sponsored of the project is that is DBT, Government of India. Project position is JRF, project JRF, and there is one vacancy. Qualification required is MSc in Biotech Microbiology, okay, or MTech in Biotech, Nanotech, Biosciences, Environment Science with minimum 60% marks or 60% marks, okay, and 55% or equivalent CGPA for SC, ST, PWD. ठीक है, डिजायरेबल एक्सपीरियंस इज डिजायरेबल आफ्टर मास्टर्स डिग्री, एंड यू शुड हैव क्वालिफाइड योर नेट और गेट. Maximum age for general EWS on the last date of application 28 years, for OBC 31, and for SC ST PWD 33 years. Stipend 31,000 4 months. Duration of the project is 4 years 10 months or till end of the project, whichever is earlier. Job description क्या रहने वाला है, so that is carrying out lipid and isoprenoid estimation and analysis, gene transformation, Okay, and this is your JD, and this is your duration, stipend, qualifications, name of the post, sponsor of the project, title of the project, department, and your principal investigator. So I will say all the notifications so that you will see, so that will contain this type of information. Okay, and so candidates desiring to appear for the interview should submit their application with following documents to the office of principal investigators through email. So आपको email करना है application in a plain paper with a detailed CV including self-attested copies of degree certificates, NETGATE qualification in chronological order in one PDF file. Okay, at the time of online interview for verification, you have to produce these certificates, and preference will be given to SC/ST candidates on equal qualifications and experience. No TA/DA is admissible for attending the interview. ठीक है, and the last date for application to be submitted to office of principal investigator is 26th of November 2021. So the interview will be online, so that is WebEx, and date and time of the interview will be intimated by email. Okay, so I think must be clear with this, and this is the notification. So like this you can see all the notifications on IIT Roorkee website. So just download these advertisements, and accordingly you can check your eligibility. Okay, and for preparation of your interview you can seek the help of YourPedia. हाँ जी, next one is this iHub Divya Sampark. So this is a company established by DST and IIT Roorkee under National Mission on Interdisciplinary Cyber Physical Systems. Okay, and technology development project, and this is a technology development project. Principal investigator is Professor Gopinath. Okay, and Divya Sampark iHub Roorkee for Devices, Materials and Technology Foundation. So a non-profit company. Okay, at IIT Roorkee. So title of the project is development of non-invasive biosensor for early detection of lung cancer. Sponsoring agency name is this iHub Roorkee Divya Sampark. Okay, project position is JRF. Number of vacancies are 2. Location IIT Roorkee. Qualification, you should have done your BTech or Masters in relevant field of biotech, biomedical, electronics, chemistry, nanotech. Basic knowledge of biosensors is required. Relevant experience you should have in biomedical engineering, IoT and electronics profile. Your JD job description would be to carry out research and development work in core area of biosensing to detect cancer early. Duration of the project is 36 months. Okay, and last date to apply is 25th of November. Okay, and there will be interview, and you can send your mail to this mail ID along with your I will say PDF file of your degree certificate, hr.tih@iitr.ac.in. okay, and subject of email should be this: application for the post of JRF. Okay, TIHRP06, एंड लास्ट डेट से पहले आपको इसे सेंड करना है. एंड so there will be short listing after you apply, and there will be interview. Okay, and your cover letter with detailed CV including chronology, discipline of degree certificate, experience including research, industrial field and others. No TA/DA is admissible. So date and time of the interview will be shared with shortlisted candidates only. So I think must be clear with this. So last day to apply for this, so that is 25th of November. So 2 positions for JRF. Okay, so accordingly you can check, I will say, all the advertisement on the website of IIT Roorkee, and according to your eligibility you can apply for these positions. Okay, and these IIT will also allow you to do your, I will say, MS or PhD in that department. And for preparation of interview you can seek the help of YourPedia. Okay, so next IIT is IIT Ropar. So let's see the various positions that have been out in IIT Ropar. Okay, so let's see IIT Ropar also. So these are the various project positions you can see here. and last date is 22nd November, 22nd November, 20th November, 20th November, 28th of November. So there are various project positions available. Project associate, cloud developer, project associate, mechanical design engineering, project associate, project associate, agriculture data modeling and analysis, project associate, data science at IIT Ropar. Okay, senior project associate, JRF. So accordingly, you can also see these advertisements by downloading them and accordingly check your eligibility. So just see this advertisement. So this is for the position of JRF. One post is there, and you have to work on a LAM research funded project on the development of thermal interface material for silicon wafer industry. So duration is 1.5 years. Okay. So after every 6 months, the progress of candidate will be reviewed for further extension. Stipend is 31,000 per month plus HRA. So you should have done your MTech or MSc in mechanical physics, material science or related discipline with the GATE qualified. Okay, so you must have qualified GATE and you must have done your MTech in mechanical physics or material science. So desirable is candidate earlier worked on TIM, thermal conductivity measurement, thermal management of electronics will be given preference. Last date to apply is 20th of November. So you have to mail your application at prabhat@iitropar.ac.in. Okay, and in the subject please include thermal interface materials. So a one-page cover letter describing your suitability to the post. Okay, so cover letter, so you can take the help of YourPedia, your CV also, and copy of GATE score. Okay, and so the shortlisted candidates will be called for interview. No TADA, again same thing, so that we have studied in this IIT Roorkee also. Okay, and this is the name, this is the email where you have to mail your, I will say, this application. Okay, so similarly you can download other advertisements also from IIT Ropar website and check your eligibility and please apply there. So those students who have not got admissions, okay, so through your GATE score, okay, or through summer or winter admission, so this is the chance for you. Okay, so please apply for these positions and you can pursue your masters or PhD. Next is IIT Kharagpur, okay, and IIT BHU, IIT Bhilai. So there are various vacancies for this project staff in Kharagpur, BHU and Bhilai available. So and IIT Mandi also. IIT Mandi project associate post, project engineer post. So Mandi, I will say this Mandi, Bhilai, BHU, Kharagpur, Roorkee, Ropar. So please visit their website or just type, I will say, IIT JRF recruitment. JRF recruitment in IITs, yeah, IIT JRF recruitment. Just type on the Google and there you will get the direct links. Okay, so IIT Mandi project associate post 22nd November last date, 2nd December last date, project engineer at IIT Mandi. Next is, I will say, so this is for IIT Kharagpur and this is all the list for project positions in IIT Kharagpur. So keep checking IIT Kharagpur website. Okay, so they always advertise these project positions every week. Okay, keep visiting their websites. So last date you can see here. So application deadline is still there. JRF research department electrical, JRF agricultural and food engineering, then JRF electronics and electrical communication, mechanical department JRF position, industrial and system engineering research associate, mechanical JRF, industrial and system engineering research associate, project assistant metallurgical and materials, aerospace JRF, electrical JRF, computer science, ocean, river, atmosphere and land again. So last date are still there till 9th of December. Okay, so identify your department and check your eligibility and then apply. So IIT Kharagpur provides you opportunity to pursue your masters and PhD also through these projects. Okay, so like we can discuss some of the advertisements, some of the projects. So JRF position, one position. So this is the project title, FTIR based ultra fast detection and quantitative assessment of COVID-19 viral load. Compensation up to rupees 31,000. Department Electronics and Electrical Communication Engineering, qualification MTech Electronics Electrical, okay, with experience in machine learning, master's degree in physics, chemistry, chemical, nanotech, having experience in spectroscopy with valid gate or net qualification, MSc in any medical or life science discipline. Interdisciplinary research at interface of photonics, nanotech, medicine and pathology, net or gate score will be helpful. Okay, relaxation up to 5 years for SC/ST, upper age limit 28 years. So last day to apply 22nd of November, age limit is 28 years. Okay, so accordingly for this I will say those who have done MTech masters in electronics electrical, okay, or in physics chemistry chemical nanotech and with valid gate or net, so they can apply here. Okay, so and similarly for IIT Mandi also you can read the advertisement in detail. So the title of the project is evaluation of analytical procedures and performance of water testing laboratories of Jal Shakti Vibhag in Himachal Pradesh. Project associate, one post. So eligibility is you should have done your BTech or MTech in civil or MSc in environmental science, and candidate is expected to have thorough knowledge of laboratory techniques, and this is related to drinking water and wastewater analysis. So emoluments is 25,000 per month, duration till 28th Feb 2022. Okay, so last date is 22nd of November. Next is again IIT Mandi, post is of project engineer, one position. Stipend is very good, up to 70,000 per month. Eligibility you should have done your BTech or MSc. Okay, and or MTech you should have either BTech, MSc or MTech with at least 2 years of relevant experience. Strong knowledge of this C programming and MSQL database is desirable. So project is about installation and maintenance of IT services. Job responsibility, lead software developer. So I think must be clear with this. And your interview will be online through telephonic or Skype call interview. So you have to send your resumes by 2nd December. So this email ID hardeepsingh@iitmandi.ac.in. Okay, so friends, this was I will say some of the project positions so that I have discussed with you from these IITs. Okay, so I will say just visit their websites, IIT Roorkee, IIT Ropar, IIT Mandi we have covered, IIT Kharagpur, okay, IIT Bhilai also. Okay, and accordingly I will say please visit their websites, just type IIT JRF recruitment, okay, on Google, and you will be provided with direct link there. Okay, just apply for these positions, and you can also, along with stipend, you can also pursue your masters and PhD in that particular department of these reputed IITs. So in case friends, any one of you wants to prepare for interview or for these positions, or you want to prepare for, I will say, you want to take guidance regarding this statement of purpose, cover letter, statement of research or interview preparation, you can fill the Google form in the description of this video, and for any query you can contact on the number given below. So thank you very much friends, keep watching your Yourpedia. Thanks once again.